It's giveaway time, folks. Look what we got here. We got a Homelite fucking water pump, and it runs. It does run, folks. That's fucking nice. Look, even got some fuel left in the can for you with the safety can on it. Got a chain in there. Look at this. Fucking cooler. That's your fucking inlet line for there. You even got yourself a metal fuel can. Look at that. Look at that. You got another bag there. You want to see it run? You want to hear it run? It runs. We had it running. Look at this. Got your beer cooler. Maybe Steve wants it. It's a giveaway to the ranch. It's a nice one. That's a nice one. Look at this. You even get a 3-ton jack too.
Does it work?
The jack? Yeah. Yeah, it was my jack. Yeah.
I just make sure that
Oh yeah, watch.
we don't need no jack.
No, watch. See? Hey.
We got 3 of them.
Yeah, no, this one works. See this? Hey, look at this. See this? Now watch. It works. Look at that. Look at that. Fuel can, little fucking safety fuel can.
Yeah, what's that chain in the bottom?
That's a nice chain. Both hooks on it.
Yeah.
I know. I'll help you get out of there. You don't tear the back of my truck out now, boy.
Oh, it's teared up.
That's a 3-tonner. That's a Craftsman. Look at that. 2 good 5-gallon buckets and no holes, and a field and stream bag and a pair of pliers. Huh?
Satchel bag.
Yeah. You see my cooler I got? Look at that. That's Kubota cooler there, baby. Yeah, look how nice that is.
Let's see this thing.
Yeah, that's a nice cooler there. See, no, yeah, you can't
It's got
steal
a
it.
diesel sticker. Where'd you get that at?
That's Kubota. Wait, it's their vacuum seal. Watch.
What?
It's so good you crack it. Now open it. Yep.
Damn.
That's how good the seals are.
Oh,
See?
that Gatorade, no beer,
Yep.
man.
See how good that seal is?
Lightweight.
See how good that seal is?
Damn.
Ain't that impressive? I know.
I was looking at the
Yeah, well, I bought stuff from Kubota too, you know, folks. I won that. Let the fucking Kubota
website.
Kubota field day. Yep. Got the fucking little satchel sack back there.
Man, oh man.
She's nice. Alright, folks. We're running the fucking sickle. It's a new idea sickle. We're in cutting mode. Oh, that fucker's working really good. Take that tree out. He's running the sickler. There she goes. That cantilever motherfucker. He's gonna back up here and try to keep her, back her on up. He's in the trees. Fucking Bob Saget. It's a fuck around, folks. Backing her down in there. Hell yeah, folks. Hell yeah. It's an oil burner. No. They're all drugged up. Alright, we're trying to negotiate around this tree here. Jesus Christ. This is how we do it, folks. What the hell's going on? We're gonna get in the rock. Pull some R's with that motherfucker. I'd like to buy this for 400. Ah! In the fucking coffee can comes off. What are you trying? Back her down in there. You're lost. It sounds good. It's a diesel, folks. We got the smoke screw turned up. we go. She's running good. It's 4th of July at the ranch. The smell of raw, unburnt fuel in the multi-purpose. It pulled 13th place in the 4,500 pounds, folks, in the 2018 season. What's going on now? What you doing, Jimbo? Ducks? Pulling some serious R's too, folks. $400 special there, folks. Multi-purpose. That's fast money. Fast money there. What? There you go. Choke it up in the intake. It's time to put all the equipment away, folks. We're fucking running low on oil in the fucking general purpose. We got the whole farm coming up in here, folks. Trying to figure out where we're going to put all the equipment at. We got the grain truck falling up behind. Everything's smoking and on fire. It's a fuckathon. Come on, we're running low on oil. Oil pressure's out on the general purpose, multi-purpose rig. It's burning oil. Where do you want this at? It's a jigsaw puzzle every time we take equipment out, folks. Trying to get this shit parked in this damn thing. Been out in the field all day. Where do you want this at? What the fuck, the grain wagon? Hey, where do you want this at? Where do you want this motherfucker? We're parking. You said to park over there. All right, where do you want this at? God, that's what she says. Tight. The fucking jigsaw puzzle. There you go, folks. We shut her down at the line. She's tight. Everything's tight. Very tight. We're getting her all in there. Fucking tight. Then we gotta get the trailers in here too. It's a John Deere 50 with optional power steering, folks. And it does work. We're running this high synthetic blend Starfire premium lubricants and all the equipment this year. We got a sponsor that's been sending out the premium Starfire shit, and it's been good stuff, folks. We appreciate Starfire for sending that stuff out to us and all that. not bad. They're supposed to send us lubricants and stuff, and I think they're the same company sent us this chain and fluid lube and shit by Lubriplate. It's been pretty good stuff, so we appreciate you guys. Thank you guys.